Good morning, everyone. This is Tomer from the Market Zone, back after 2 weeks spending time in South America. It was really great. I wanted to do a quick video discussing some of the setups I posted in the weekly markets analysis. This is the this week's weekly markets analysis file. You can download it from my Google Drive using the link posted in the Tumblr blog, and it's a 10 pages file with lots of new trading ideas and updates and previous trading ideas that I posted. So make sure you read it, and I hope you find it helpful. And now let's dive right into some of the charts. Okay, let's start by looking at Google daily chart. We see here the previous harmonic patterns I posted. I think it was in the beginning of December. We have large AB equals CD harmonic pattern, and we see here also the smaller one, the green dotted line, AB equals CD pattern, which is now become 3 drives, which is actually an ABCD with the third leg equals to each one of the previous 2 legs. So what we have here now is ABCD and a 3 drives pattern, and we can see that on Friday the price pierced back below the D point of the larger pattern, which gives us, probably we can consider it, this price action as a false break. Looking in the weekly chart, we can also see that last week ended up to be a pin bar reversal pattern. Probably some of you know it as inverted hammer. Anyway, this is a bearish candle, and a break below the low could signal short. Those of you who are more aggressive can short at market, depending on how we will open the week. Again, I want to remind everyone, for those of you who doesn't know, this Wednesday is a very important day. Everyone looks at the FOMC statement, so be careful. Maybe we'll see some nasty price movement till Wednesday. So make sure you manage your risks, but the technical here show great potential. Target could be, initial target will be 1030, and maybe later on, if we'll see confirmation signs, the 1000, and even filling the gap, the report gap at all the way back to 920. So make sure you follow Google. Very nice opportunity. Harmonic patterns are very accurate most of the time. So I hope it will play out. I hope it will play out as I expected. Let's have a look at MLNX daily chart. We can see we broke the downtrend line. We see how powerful the break was, and then we retraced, rallied back again, and then met the resistance level here, 1, 2, 3, and we moved down, and now we are facing the second support level, which was posted on previous weekly markets analysis file. And now we have 2 scenarios. One is rallying from here, which is also, if we will have the fib level, we can see that we are right on the 61.8 fib level. So we rallied, retraced perfectly to the 61.8, and then rally back again, continuation move, and maybe we will break the 41 resistance area. The second scenario, if we will see deeper retracement to the downside, let's put on the 88.6, we have a bullish bat pattern, harmonic pattern, bullish bat, which will be completed at 33.4. It also can be the retest of the broken trend line. So if we will see a deeper retracement, meaning breaking below, we can look for entry around 33.4 and rally back up. Since the stock broke this daily trend line, the downtrend line, I'm looking for long entries. If we look the weekly chart, the stock has let's clean it a little bit, just a second. The stock has much room to go up. We see it has fallen down from the $100 area all the way to the 30s, and so we could expect to see a little bit of retracement even to the $50. I think for the long term this is a stock to hold. But now let's focus on the technicals. We are talking about a retracement, 41 initial target, and then 50 area as extended target level. Okay, CVX daily chart. We see the Gartley, the perfect Gartley, which we played on to the short side, touching target 1 last week. Target 2 was touched this week. And now the question is, where do we go from here? Are we going back up to this downtrend line maybe to break it, or are we going to fall even lower? And for that we need to see the weekly chart. Okay, the weekly chart shows us let's remove this fib level. Okay, the weekly chart shows us two options. We could be seeing a bullish continuation pattern, a bullish flag, a bullish triangle. We see this move up, broke resistance, creating new high, and now trading inside this daily triangle. And it could be continuation pattern. We need to see a break above this downtrend line, this triangle border, to confirm it. So if you want to play the bullish side, you could buy here, since it is uptrend line. This is the lower border of the triangle. To buy here, initial targets will be the downtrend line, and if it will break above, you could leave some of the position to at least target the recent highs, around 128 level, and maybe even higher. If we will play it to the downside, meaning if we will see a break below this uptrend line, we could see retracement back to this support area 116, or even deeper retracement all the way to the 110 area, which is major shelf, major support, and also pretty much the 61.8 fib level. So definitely we could see it pulling all the way back to the 61.8 if we will see a break below this uptrend line. Price line, last stock I want to talk about today. Nothing much has happened since my last short position around 11.95. $20 drop, double top again, back into the 11.70, and now I'm waiting for this level to break. It will be interesting to see if we can see this break below, and then heading back toward the 1120, which is the target level I had in mind. This small support area. I think the 1200 could be the reversal zone. Again, this stock really loves the tight ranges and then moving up, so I could see tight range and then moving higher. Everything is possible, but we are monthly overbought, weekly overbought, and could be we seeing sign of weakness. I don't know. We have to wait and see. Anyway, my short position was at 11.95, stop above the 1200, and targets around 11.20. So okay, that's price line. Moving fast on some of the forex charts. We have the pound Aussie. I talked about this short opportunity. This is the support area. We see the market opened and rallied and all the way back to the 61.8, and then he found some resistance. So this could be entry level. We have to be careful. Around Wednesday, I think also Tuesday, we have some economic events on the Aussie. So you could enter in now. This is the current level, the current market levels. You could enter if it will hold this resistance and 61.8, and short with 1.81 as initial target and maybe even lower. This is the pound Aussie. It really need to break this support area if we want to see a downward move. Let's see what we have more. Okay, my Aussie Kiwi position still holding. It tried to touch, see my stop level here, almost touched the stop and pushed back higher. I hope finally we can see some strength. The reason I'm insisting on this pair is that in a monthly chart we are buried. Actually, we are buried. This is a major historical support zone. It still has move to go even lower, maybe below this spike, maybe below towards this lower levels, but I think see the sharp decline here. I'm looking at least for the first bounce to have like 150 pips back into this resistance, and then I will try to wait, see it declining maybe even more, and take another position. I'm very interested in taking this position, the long Aussie Kiwi position, for a long term based on the monthly chart. So we'll have to wait and see. Now I'm still hanging in there. Doesn't look really good. Broke. Let's see. Just trying to break above this trend line, down the hourly trend line. Not sure it will hold. See how close I was to hitting my stop loss, and if I will get hit, I will wait probably till Wednesday to take another position. We'll have to wait and see. The last thing, euro dollar. We have this bet which was completed last week. I posted it on my Twitter account, and we could see now maybe a double top. So we have to wait and see. Take very close look at the EURUSD I think it has very nice potential to go probably to the 136 area. So watch it, and good luck. Let's see how the market will open. Thank you, and have a good trading week.